Hello everyone. In this video, self-assessment model paper 1 2025-26 class ninth subject third language English question paper with key discuss this PDF download to the Telegram group link on the description. Follow the link, like and share and subscribe to Manish Sir YouTube channel. Let's start the paper. Section A 1 to 20 question belonging to the section A. Multiple choice question. Each question has 4 options only. Which one option is the correct? First question, identify the correct uses of unless. First option, unless you do the homework you will not be punished. Option B, unless you do the homework you will be punished. You will not be punished unless you do the homework. You do the homework you will be punished. Which is a right option? Correct uses of the unless you do the homework you will be punished. Option B is the right answer. Question number 2. Fill in the following blank using the suitable word given. Read it, dash, and you can understand the moral. Awfully, quickly, carefully, loftily. Which is the right answer? Right answer option C, carefully. Third question, choose the correct passive voice from the sentence. He has done it. What is the correct passive voice? Option A, it has been done by him. It had been done by him. It was done by him. It is being done by him. Which is the right answer? Right answer option A, it has been done by him. Fourth question, find the right preposition for the following blank. Tommy went dash the schoolroom quickly. Onto, in, at, into. Tommy went into the classroom quickly. Pick the article before monuments. Dash Taj Mahal was built between 1632 and 1653. A. The and no article. The Taj Mahal was built between 1632 and 1653. Question number 6. Select the antonyms of the word nightmares. I often have nightmares, sweet dreams, night dreams, shadows, dangerous dream. Which is the right answer? Right option A, sweet dream. Question number 7. Which of the following best suit to report this question? He said to the little boy, why are you reading English? What is the correct narration? He said to the little boy why he was reading English. B option, he asked the little boy why he was reading English. C, he asked the little boy, why are you reading English? He asked the little boy, why am I reading English? Which is the right answer? Right answer option B. He asked the little boy why he was reading English. Eighth question, find the odd one from the following. Pleasure, misery, happiness, delight. Answer misery. Ninth question, fill in the following blank suitable comparative degree. My sister is dash than me. Serious, more serious, most serious, seriously. Right option B, more serious. This is the ninth question. What is the 10th question? Find the antonyms of the underlined word. I was delighted to have beautiful letter through Sundaram. Thrilled, disappointing, honored, touched. Right option B, disappointed. Hours and the reconnaissance come thick and fast. What is the meaning above underline idiomatic expression? Which is the right option? Right option D. Many award and recognition are given in the short amount of the time. Question number 12. Read the lines below and find the rhyming word for heart from the given option. Every tinkle of the singles he an echo in heart. Option A, part, port, paint, pant. Right option, part. Question number 13. Find the wrong spelling from the following. Condition is the right option of the option A. A student unearthed Einstein manuscript. Which of the following equal meaning to the underlined word? To took from the earth, buried under the earth, uncovered, discovered. Right option D, discovered. When something is revealed, it dash remains dead, remains confused, remains unchanged, live against. Which is the option correct? Option correct. Option D, lives again. Read the following moral story carefully. Once upon a time, a former old donkey fell into a deep well. The animal cried pitifully for hours while the farmer tried to figure out what to do. Finally, he decided that the donkey was too old and well needed to be covered up anyway. So he invited his neighbors to help him shovel dirt into the well. At first, the donkey cried loudly, but then, to everyone's surprise, he became quite curious. The farmer looked into the well and was amazed at what he saw. With each shovel of dirt that hit his back, the donkey shook it off and stepped on the top of it. As the farmer continued shovel, the donkey kept climbing higher and higher. Soon he stepped over the edges of the well and walked away happily. The farmer learned a great lesson that day. Life will throw dirt at you, but you can get out of the deepest pit by refusing to give up and turning every trouble into a step upward. Moral: never give up. Use difficulties as a step to success. Now answer the question: what happened to the farmer's donkey? It ran away into the forest. It fell into the deep well. Option C, it was stolen by thieves. Option D, it got lost the field. Which is the option D? Option B, it fell into a deep well of the donkey is the right option. 17th question: what did the farmer decide to do with the donkey? Pull it out with a rope. B, feed it inside the well. Cover the well with dirt. Call for help from the king. Which is the option correct? Option C, cover the well with the dirt. 18th question: how did donkey save itself? By climbing a rope, by shaking off the dirt and stepping on it, by flying out of the well, by calling other donkeys for help. Which is the option correct? Option correct is B, by shaking off the dirt and the stepping on it. 19th question: what lesson did the farmer learn from the donkey? Never help animals, hard work always fails, never give up and use problem as opportunities, old animals are useless. Right option C, never give up and use problems as opportunities. What is the moral of the story? Laziness leads to failure. Difficulties can become stepping stones to success. Option C, donkeys are very clever animals. farmers should fill up their wells, which is the option correct? Option B, difficulties can becoming a stepping stones to the success. Section B, 21 to 24. Answer the following question in your answer set. Join the sentence using a present participles. He stood by the side of a temple. He asked people to go in. What is the answer? Standing by the sides of a temple, he asked people to go in. B. He found the lock broken. He rang up the police. Having found the lock broken, he rang up the police. Added the underline following passage. Warn is corrected by warned, and the off is corrected off. Match the following. First match is a frack is the option B. A word used disapprovingly to talk about the person who is unusual. Mistro is the option A. An artistic genus, and solitary is the public outcry, and hue solitary is a single, and the hue and cry is a public outcry. Change the following reported speech. Sheila asked the children, "Are you going to the picnic?" What is the answer? Sheila asked the children if they were going to picnic. Change the following passive voice. I know him. Answer, he is known to me. 25 to 29th. Read the passage. Read the following passage and answer the question. First one, where did Einstein decide to study after finishing school? Answer, Einstein decided to study at a university in Zurich. What was the Einstein doing in 1900? At the age of 21, he was university graduate and unemployed. What job did Einstein get in 1902? Answer, technical expert in the patent office. What did Einstein jokingly call his desk drawer at work? What is the answer? Option A, the Bureau of Theoretical Physics. Read the following stanza carefully. I wish arise and go now and go to Innisfree and a small cabin built there of clay and the wattless made 9 beans row. Will I have there a hive for the honeybees and live alone in the bees loud glad. First question, where does the speaker plan to go? Answer, the speaker plan to go Innisfree. What will the speaker build in Innisfree? Answer, a small cabin of clay and wattless. Third question, what will the speaker have in Innisfree? Option A, 9 beans row and hive for the honeys. How does the speaker describe the place want to live, be and loud glad? And this one is the 27th question. Read the following passage carefully. What did the statue not known when it was alive? It did not know what tears were. Second, where was the sorrow not allowed? In the palace. Why does the statue weep up? Whip now. It is made of lead. It can see the city of misery. It misses the palace. Answer, it can see the city misery. Fourth question, what did the sallow think about the statue material? What is the correct answer? Option A is the right answer. It through the statue was made of gold. Read the passage carefully and answer the question. Now arrange the following jumble word into a meaningful order. First order is a C. C. The grasshopper spent his summer singing while the ant gathered food. And B. The ant replied, I am storing food for winter. And then A. The grasshopper found himself hungry and the cold in winter. And the D, the grasshopper asked the ant for food. Dictionary entry xylophone. What is the meaning of the xylophone according to the dictionary entry? A musical instrument made of two rows wooden bars a different length that you hit two small sticks. I had taken the wrong train and I found myself in Bangalore instead of Banaras. Rewrite the above sentence changing the underlined parting is a participle clause. Answer: having taken the wrong train, I found myself in Bangalore instead of Banaras. Change the following in passive voice. Tom found a real book. Answer: a real book was found by Tom. Change the following into reported speech. The homeopath said to his friend, "It is a full blooded cobra." Answer: the homeopath told his friend that it was a full blooded cobra. Section D 30 to 33. You have read the lesson The Fun They Had. The Tommy had found an old book in the attic and so it is Margie. Based on the lesson content, now write the conservation between the Tommy and Margie. This is a possible conservation of the Margie and the Tommy. Take a screenshot and this PDF download to the Telegram group. Link on the description. Follow it, like and share and subscribe to channel. And this one is the 31st question. You have read the lesson Maria Sharapova an achievement. Now write a letter your describing the achievement any sports person you interest. This is a possible answer of the question. And then now uh, answer is modified by the students itself. 32 question. Write a script of a speech Teachers Day. This is a possible and the changes according to the students. Take the screenshot. Now the 33 question. Describe the bar graph. This is a bar graph chart. Rice, idli, dosa, bread and ragi malt. The bar graph show the breakfast presences among the boy and the girls from the total 1000 students including 500 boys and 500 girls. It compare how many boys and the girls prefer different breakfast items such as rice, idli, dosa, bread and ragi malt. From the graph, it can seen that 100 boys and 90 girls prefer rice. Idli is the most popular choice, like by 120 boys and 140 girls. Dosa is chosen by 90 boys and 80 girls, while bread is also common breakfast item preferred by 120 boys and 130 girls. Ragi malt is the least preferred option, 70 boys and 60 girls choosing it. Overall, idlis and bread are the most preferred breakfast items among both boys and girls. Ragi malt is the least liked by the both group. It most cases girls slightly prefer idli and the bread more than the boys. Wherever boys prefer rice and dosa little more the girls. In conclusion, both boys and girls have similar breakfast choice, but idli stand out of the top favorite among all. This so traditional South Indian continues to be a popular and preferred breakfast choice. This is a paper. Thanks to watch, like and share and subscribe to channel. Thank you so much.